Good morning, guys. You don't want me prosper? Something is eating me up though. One here. Hi guys, welcome to my village. Okay, this is my village and I'm set. I'm going to the portion mill. It's actually so late, so I'm going there to get some flour, then I'll be cooking. Yeah, so I'm feeling so well, feeling so excited. In case you've not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Yeah, so this is village life. Okay, yeah, let's go. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. In case it's your first time to be on this channel, my name is Benita. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel in case you've not. And yes, so this is my village. Ah, kuna mtu. So that is someone asking if I want to go. So lucky today, at least we have a motorbike. So I'm going somewhere with my grandmother. I need to get her a new phone. Yeah, so I'm going. She's coming. You guys, by now you've seen her. Yeah, so we are going. So this is the means of transport here. Nimetoka huko, down there. I'm from down there. So you can see there's a motorbike coming up. Yeah, so that is my grandmother. And yeah, this is our village. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm in this court because I know it has to rain, Yeah, so let's go guys and enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to comment.
If you're down, I could take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're down, just let me know, yeah. If you're down, let me be so sure we know that you're like, baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way back from it is what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is their lust. If you down, I can take you on a cruise. If you down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you down.
They have mbongis. We have to cook them all. What do we do?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
You don't want me prosper? Let me go, let me go, let me go. Stop that. Look who just spotted some guavas. They're so big. Something is eating me up though. Ooh. Nimesimama wapi? Ach, 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 ach. Those are ants. There are so many. I'm seeing one here. Oh, this one. These have been eaten by a bird. So this one, it's done. So I have this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Enjoying my stay here. These are guavas, the red ones. We also have the white ones. I'm enjoying. Thank you so much for, always being there for me, always supporting me. Thank you so much for liking the video. Yeah, it keeps me moving. So, I have more here, but those ones I'll deal with them tomorrow because it's actually late. And I carried this because I want to go get some vegetables from our garden. Yeah, and it's late, so I need to, harakisha. Here in the village, we do take our meals so early. Yeah, so let's go, guys.